Hello and welcome back. I am Prerna from the Urban Platter studio, and today we are going to make a classic Indian sweet dish, that is Akhrot Halwa. For this recipe, we are going to use walnuts that are sourced directly from California. Urban Platter's Californian walnuts are rich in antioxidants and omega fatty acids. When I was a kid, my mom used to tell me about the different health benefits that walnuts have, and she used to make this Akhrot Halwa, which I absolutely loved. This vegan version of Akhrot Halwa is super easy to put together. So let's get started with the recipe. Halwa is ready. It looks delicious and tastes even better. So if you have walnuts lying around or you are just bored of eating it alone, then you have to try this recipe. It's super simple. You just have to put all the ingredients together, cook it, and then it's going to be ready in around 15 to 20 minutes. If you like this recipe and want us to create more such Indian sweet dishes, then do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.